Here are 6 reasons why you may be feeling frumpy and how to fix it. I'm coming in hot with the first one because it's, probably one of the most important ones, and that is if your hair is dirty. Doesn't matter how cute your outfit is, you're probably gonna feel frumpy. A little bit of grease, you're just not gonna feel your best. I'm just saying you have got to wash your hair, and it doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but the fact of the matter is that when your hair is on point and you just feel better, you just look and feel better. Even on a day when I'm working from home and I have no makeup on, or if I'm in my loungewear and I have freshly washed hair, I still feel significantly better than if it wasn't clean and I was in a good outfit. If you really want to feel great without having to wash your hair, then try a slicked back style so that it feels and looks a little bit more put together and a little bit more intentional. One of my favorite hacks is to just do a half wash. I talked about this recently in another video. Section off the top half of your hair, wash it, blow dry it, and you're good to go. You're gonna look and feel more put together and update your house style without having to go through a full wash. So another reason you might feel frumpy, just not your best, or maybe like your outfit is lacking something, is that you're not incorporating a trendy element into your look. I'm not saying you need to be like head to toe trends. Like, trends are definitely not for everybody. However, if you feel like your outfit's a little blah, a little boring, again, just feeling a little frumpy, like it needs something, and you need to like zhuzh it up a little bit, I definitely recommend trying like one little trendy piece into your wardrobe just for like a more up-to-date look. If you're not really sure where to start, I do have a video that's up here. I'll link it there and down below on the hottest spring 2024 fashion trends, and that should help you be like a starting point of ideas. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. Oftentimes what we can do is just simply incorporate something trendy with an accessory. So metallic pants are like having a moment right now. I'm not saying you need to go out and like buy brand new pants. If you're into the metallic pants thing, then okay, fine, go do so. But just like a basic element might be adding like some metallic shoes instead of like whatever other shoes you were gonna wear, or maybe a little metallic handbag instead. Again, it's just like one little piece that's gonna help you look a little bit more current. Speaking of accessories, accessories are easily one of the quickest and most cost-effective ways to make you feel less frumpy. I said it earlier, even when I'm at home in my pajamas, I will at least accessorize my outfit. I want to look and feel good, and that means I'll always put on some earrings or maybe a couple of rings just so I don't feel frumpy even if I'm in my loungewear. If accessories are kind of hard for you to put together, then definitely check out like some pre-layered sets. These totally take the guesswork out of it. There's so many cute like bracelet and necklace stacks that you can just grab and go. They require literally no additional brain power because they're pre-done for you. So I'll be sure to link a few of my favorites down below. Another reason you might feel like your outfit is just like off is that maybe it's all the same silhouette. One of the basic fashion rules is to kind of break up your outfit by mixing something voluminous with something tight. So if your outfit is like volume on volume, or maybe it's like tight with tight and you can't figure out what's going on, try and look into adding like a different silhouette, maybe a variety of texture, so it's not just all the same from top to bottom. This is especially the case with baggy silhouettes. I know a baggy is quote unquote like in right now, but this is one of those things that looks so much better like in influencer photos and on celebrities than in real life, because if it's baggy, it looks like you're trying to hide weight gain or not trying to like highlight certain areas, and oftentimes it actually has the opposite effect. There's like a really fine line between a cute flowy dress and a big muumuu. And it has nothing to do with your body type, or it's just how like the dress is flowy. Try a belt, try cinching it, try a jacket or a blazer. There's always ways to make something look a little bit more fitted without necessarily having to go and putting something that's bodycon on. Speaking of fit, this is a big one. If you're buying the same pieces that people are showing online and they just don't like look right on you, ask yourself, does it fit? If it's somewhat off, then that's the reason right there. Like, ill-fitting clothes are just a huge reason why you're going to look or feel a little bit frumpy. And that's kind of annoying, and it's a little bit more money and like a little bit of a hassle. Like, take your stuff to the tailor so that it feels and looks like it's perfectly made for you, because when it fits you best, you are going to also look and feel your best. Now, if your clothes are uncomfortable, then yeah, you are going to feel frumpy. If you're constantly having to adjust something because it's like pinching you, or it's like too big, or your bra's showing, or it's hiking up too much, like, you're going to look and feel uncomfortable. So definitely try and look for outfits that, be realistic if you're actually comfortable in them or not, because if they're not, you're gonna wear them less and you're not going to love them as much, and you're probably going to feel frumpy. Kind of adding on to that, if you are shopping only at like super fast fashion, really cheapy places, that tends to make you feel frumpy too. I'm not saying that's always the case. Like, hey, I love a good Amazon find and I love getting pieces that are affordable, but I have to admit that when I'm wearing like something that's a lot nicer, that's like quality, that's well made, that's like actual natural fibers and fabrics, I feel significantly better than when I'm wearing like a $10 polyester dress or one piece with like seams that are fraying. Like, you just can't even argue that. That's just a huge, huge difference. In Frumpy, ask yourself, hey, maybe I should invest in a little bit higher quality of clothes so that I don't look and feel this way. And you are actually like looking and feeling good in what you're in. If you feel like getting ready is kind of like taking way too much time, then definitely check out this video over here on some genius time-saving style tips. I'll see you over there. Bye.